Once you have fully registered for a course in My Learning Plan and in the Buzz Learning Management System and logged into your user account, your home page should list all courses in which you are enrolled. To begin work in any selected course, find the icon for that course and just click on the course icon. This will bring you into the course itself. You will note a navigation pane on your left listing all of the course elements in folders that can each be opened and closed. This will allow you to revisit any of the course components after their initial completion. However, the ENL courses are designed that in order for an activity to be marked complete, you must start and finish each activity within one work session. Simply go to the first folder, which opens the first activity. You will see the same corresponding activities in the left-hand navigation, as well as within the folder once each folder is opened. You really don't need to know all of this extraneous information. All you need to know if you want to go through the course in the order in which it is presented is once you open the first activity, you simply navigate through each activity step by step by utilizing these navigation arrows on the top right corner. Simply choose the next arrow, and that will bring you to the next activity. There is a scroll bar to your left to ensure that you see each item in its entirety. If you receive this note, you must successfully complete the following activities before viewing this item. You must return to the previous activity. These activities have been timed so that you should, once you have read through them, spent enough time on that activity, that the system will allow you to continue on to the next activity. Make sure you give it a thorough read. We have timed each activity for the minimal amount of time it will take to cover the material in that activity in order to meet CTLE requirements. Continue to click through these arrows and scroll down to view each activity. There are different types of activities throughout this course. For example, you may find discussion threads. A discussion thread is notated by this icon. To start a new thread, choose New Thread, and after you type in your question or comment, choose Post. When accessing a video or other outside sources, that source will open up in a new browser tab. When you have completed that activity, close the newly opened tab and you should return to your original course. Please notice that some course resources are PDFs. In this case, you will either have the option of viewing the source directly, or if you hover, you are able to download or print this item from your desktop. Finally, you will note that the last activity in Module 3 is a course survey. This is our means of having your feedback on this course experience. choose Take Survey. With each question, either choose one of the multiple choice selections or type your answers in the text boxes provided. When you have completed all survey questions, choose Submit. After you have completed all activities in the course, you have the ability to go back and review any item in the course for any amount of time and in any order. Learning a new language always has its challenges. For most of you, this will be your first experience working within a learning management system. Trust yourself, poke around, read the prompts carefully, and try to decipher what they say. If you have any difficulty navigating this course, please call the Nassau BOCES Center for Online Learning Tech Support at the number provided on this page. Thank you for partnering with the Center for Online Learning to further professional development throughout the state.